Italians make amazing food with just 3 ingredients. And today, I'll show you how. I'm going to my friend's house in Modena to prove something. The best Italian food is actually simple. I've been cooking Italian food for years, and this recipe is a must-have. It's quick, healthy, and tastes incredible. Most people think Italian cooking is hard. Lots of ingredients, fancy techniques. But here's the truth. The secret is using just a few really good ingredients to make something amazing. Today we're making pasta with salmon and zucchini. Perfect for summer. We need 3 main things: salmon, zucchini, and garlic. Plus some basics you probably have: olive oil, salt, curry powder, and of course, pasta. My goal today isn't just to show you how to cook this. I want to prove that you can make restaurant quality food in just minutes. We'll do this in 4 easy steps: prep, cook, blend, and mix. First, let's prep everything. Chop the garlic small and slice the zucchini and salmon. And here's a big tip. Don't put too much in your pan at once. We want everything to cook nicely, not steam. Use good olive oil here. When the zucchini starts to get soft and golden, add a little salt and curry powder. Yes, curry. This might sound weird for Italian food, but trust me, it makes everything taste better. Now, the secret trick. Add white wine. This step changes everything. The white wine adds great flavor and picks up all the tasty bits stuck to the bottom of your pan. While that cooks, start your pasta. Remember, use lots of salty boiling water. This flavors the pasta from the inside. Here's the magic part. We're going to blend half of our cooked zucchini into a smooth sauce. This makes sure every piece of pasta gets coated with flavor. Most people skip this step, but it's what makes this dish special. Now add your salmon to the remaining zucchini in the pan. Let it cook gently with all those great flavors. When your pasta is perfectly cooked, that means firm when you bite it, drain it fast and put it right in the pan with the salmon and zucchini. Mix it all together in the pan so the pasta soaks up all the flavor. And there you have it. Pasta with salmon and zucchini. This shows you what real Italian home cooking is about. Look at this. Restaurant quality food made easy, with amazing flavor, using just 3 main ingredients. We took something that seemed hard, showed you a simple way to do it, and gave you a clear plan. You saw the surprise flavor tricks, the curry and wine, and how we turned simple zucchini into a fancy sauce. You can do this in your own kitchen and become an Italian cooking pro. If you've been struggling to make delicious, healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen, this video just solved that problem. Want to get better at home cooking? Hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tricks like this. I love sharing these simple cooking hacks, and when you like and subscribe, it helps me make more videos for you. Tell me in the comments, what other simple Italian recipes do you want to see? Keep cooking, keep trying new things, and keep making magic with simple ingredients. See you next time. Ciao!